Hi, this is Evan. I'm a product manager here at Appfire, and I'm excited to be talking to you today about time tracking in Monday.com. I'll begin by sharing 3 basic tips for time tracking in Monday. And then, if you're ready to level up to advanced time tracking, I'll share how you can do so with apps like 7-Pace Time Tracker for Monday. I'll begin with the 3 basic tips. But if you know that you're ready to level up to advanced time tracking, simply skip to the last part of the video where I'll be sharing some tips for 7-Pace Time Tracker. My first tip is editing time manually. What if you forget to hit that record button? No worries, just click the space next to the record button and choose Add Session manually. Choose a start and a stop time and save your session. Monday will automatically calculate the amount of time you spent. The second tip is automating time tracking. Instead of manually recording every session, just ensure that your board has a status column, and then create custom automation so that when an item moves into working on it, time starts tracking. And when it moves to stuck or done, that tracking stops. The third tip for basic Monday time tracking is exporting your time tracking data. Simply click the column menu dropdown, choose Export Column Data to Excel, and then you can use Excel for anything from totaling up your time to generating timesheets. Now let's level up your time tracking game with 7-Pace Time Tracker for Monday. Monday is a great tool for tracking your work, but it only provides the basics for tracking your time. 7-Pace Time Tracker provides everything that you'll need. It provides a seamlessly integrated, effortless time tracking experience. Users love how easy it is to track and report on their time. Try custom fields for time tracking with 7-Pace Time Tracker if you need more information about the type of time that your team is recording. The most common use case for custom fields is tracking billable versus non-billable hours, but you can use these fields for anything your team needs to track, whether it's client names, priority levels, teams, or business units. If you need to know more about the time that your team is tracking, custom fields are here for you. This way, you don't need to create multiple columns for every type of time that needs to be tracked. Track time more efficiently with 7-Pace. We give you multiple methods to track your time so you can find what works best for you. Some of our users prefer to track at the item level, where multiple users can record time on the same item. Others prefer the weekly or monthly My Time view, where you can log all of your time for a day or even a week all at once. That time doesn't have to be session-based, so it's easy to retroactively log time. And you can take those existing work logs and copy and paste them to additional days. By more efficiently tracking your time, you can get back to what needs to be done. Monday.com time tracking is suitable for teams with basic time tracking needs, but for teams who need more advanced time tracking capabilities, 7-Pace provides a wealth of functionality for teams, leaders, and managers. 7-Pace Time Tracker integrates seamlessly with Monday.com, and you can get started today by downloading 7-Pace Time Tracker from the Monday Marketplace. Follow Appfire for tips on boosting productivity and project efficiency.